ball called. The bowler will have to be extra careful.
Let that one alone. Here is a fielder adding extra cover.
They are calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
Elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. They have run the first one quickly and should be looking for two. That is excellent running with the move.
That is an aggressive field in place. I like how they're going for wickets at this stage.
Great shot. He has dispatched that, and the fielder can only watch it land into the crowd.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match. Straight up in the air, and that's a six.
Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. That's into the gap. Should look for two.
That is huge lead. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. That is huge lead. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. Deep point in place.
Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into the stands. That was an absolute gift for the batsman, and he cashed in.
Must have really hurt. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end. That's six. He picked up the length very early.
Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. He read the length perfectly. That is a beautiful six.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
They have run the first one quick. That is excellent running between the wickets. It's nicely timed. We'll only get one though. He's calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets.
Deep point in place. In the air, this is six. It's a magnificent strike.
Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
They are calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets.
It will be interesting to see where the bowler will test the batsman with the top one.
Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one.
Nudges it for a single.
That is huge beat.
Bowler thinks he's got the batsman. Change in the bowling. Pacer being brought back.
Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match.
Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way.
Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy. That is a very quick single taken.
There is a need to add the extra cover.
They have run the first one quickly and should be looking for two. That is excellent running between the wickets.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
field again. Should look for two. That is excellent running.
Change in bowling here. Spinner into the attack now.
The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to his team. That's gone high in the air, and that's got to clear the boundary for six.
This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going.
They have run the first one quick. That is excellent running between the wickets.
Deep point in place.
And he helps himself to a six.
It is showtime. Crowd going mad here. Edge and it's gone for four. Can you do it again?
He has hammered that, and that sails into the crowd for a six.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
Unable to break free. Missed that completely.